we again are hearing from the sector that those concerns are not being addressed. Sorry, Madam Chair, is there?
I think we're interrupting your speech.
Sorry?
Just for a moment.
Still going.
It's
Building still moves.
They should probably vacate it.
I just think we might be best to suspend. I think we might be just best to suspend the sitting for a few moments while we take some civil defence advice. That is obviously a substantial earthquake. I ask people to clear the gallery and seek shelter upstairs, take advice from the officials up there, and if members go back to their offices, ensure that their staff are safe. So I declare the House suspended until further notice.
I think that's the right thing to do.
I think it is. Yeah. We'll get some advice, but that was enormous.
Yeah, we can always come back.